The VRE web portal services research teams within the Charité and collaborators from external research institutions by providing a secure solution to store, analyze, and share their data. The platform infrastructure is extensible and serves multiple use cases for data processing. This release of the VRE includes the design, infrastructure, and initial portal elements supporting a specific project use case. Additional tools and features will be incorporated in future platform releases. The VRE is currently undergoing a full data protection impact assessment by the Charité Data Protection Office, which will provide principal investigators and their teams with the confidence to process their data securely and with a legal basis under GDPR. As the data controller, the PI of each research project must obtain all legally necessary data sharing agreements and ethics and data protection approvals for their project. After this onboarding process, the VRE administrator will create the project container and the first user account for the project administrator. The web portal homepage is the point of entry for VRE researchers. This version of the VRE is in beta testing and is not yet available for participant data. Once it is ready, the public web domain will be configured and the warning banner will be removed. First-time users are sent an activation link by email. Clicking this link prompts the user to create a user profile and to review and accept the terms of use before completing their registration. This ensures that everyone who is part of the VRE is aware of their obligations as a data controller under GDPR. On subsequent login, only username and password are required. The landing page lists the projects that are part of the VRE. Again, this is a test environment, so there are no real users or data stored here. Under My Projects, users can see the projects of which they are a member. Under All Projects, users can see all the projects in the VRE, but can only enter the projects of which they are a member. User resources are available at the top of every page, including a support area and user account tools. For security, users will be logged out automatically after a period of inactivity. Let's enter the Generate project. The project canvas is the first point of entry for a project. Because I'm logged in as the project administrator, I have access to all the project resources, files, and information. The project information card displays some basic information about the project, which can be edited by the project administrator. The top right cards display some general statistics for the project and some file statistics. This information is tailored to your role. As the project administrator, I can see all project activities, but when logged in as an uploader, I would only see statistics on my own files and actions. Access to the VRE resources is controlled by project-based and role-based permissions. The combination of project and user role defines which data and resources a user can access. This separation of roles ensures that team members can only access the data and resources they are permitted to use. As the project administrator, I can invite new members to my research project, edit their roles, or remove them from the project. The portal administrator from the Charité technical team keeps the portal maintained and onboards new research projects. The File Explorer displays all the files uploaded to the project. Tools are available to sort, search, or download files. The project administrator can access all data and resources for their project, while an uploader has only limited abilities to add data files and to view or download only the files they added. File upload is accomplished by clicking the upload icon or button. This example project requires the user to provide some basic metadata to accompany the file on upload. Future releases of the VRE will include additional customizations to the upload interface and a command line utility to directly connect with validated data sources using APIs. The Files panel shows the progress of file activities so you can monitor your file uploads and downloads. All files uploaded to the VRE land in the green room storage. This protected storage area allows privileged researchers to run sanitization pipelines and inspect outputs to ensure no sensitive personal information is transmitted to the VRE core where broader sharing and analysis occurs. In this example project, a validated pipeline is automatically executed upon file landing. This pipeline checks the original DICOM imaging file for specific characteristics and triggers a pipeline which replaces 3 DICOM tags containing sensitive information with standardized values. This produces a pseudonymized output file that is suitable for further analysis and collaboration. This processed file is stored in a new folder named DICOM Edit. Pipelines can be configured to pseudonymize a file in any way that's appropriate to the project. Future releases of the VRE will incorporate more generic strategies to give PIs and their teams greater flexibility to register and configure containerized pipelines. Both the raw and processed files remain contained in the greenroom storage until an approval step is triggered to place a copy of the processed file to the VRE core storage. This way, no data is made available for research use without explicit approval. Future releases of the VRE will incorporate expanded tools and features to allow researchers to securely explore and analyze their data in meaningful ways.